Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Jongka Sarkar Nagaland Temjen Imna Along Hakalai Putrek Una Pra Arajar Apsan Ula Wanyu Kejar Hasilong Opar Balian Bernihar Ribhoy District Ban Yashim Benta Haka Jingraki Yaka Linkho Sika Ba Shispa Shisnam Jong Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ubalong Menteri Rangbadu Barim Jongkari India Ha kani kejelang kabala pelong da ka BJP Jirang Mandal la sakilang da State President ka BJP Meghalaya Pradesh u Rickman Momen u Himanta Timong ubadi State President BJP ST u President BJP Ribhoy u ba Senthaba u President ka BJP Jirang Mandal u ba Albertus Lapang bat kipad ba jong kathan bernihan.
Thank you. सब लोग जोर से हाथ ताली दीजिए। नंगपोई के लीडर हैं उनको
Beautiful place in Jirang constituency. I have come here to commemorate the former Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, who is our Bharat Ratna, 100th anniversary, commemorate the 100th year of his life, and to be with our party men, to encourage our party people, and the ideology with which Atal ji had lived his life. And today, with our Jirang Mandal President and with our District President, with our state office bearers, including Mr. Momin, the President of the BJP Meghalaya, we have had a fabulous time sharing the commitment of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji towards nation building, towards how he brought the Northeast under his wraps, and also the initiation of the Northeast Council, the initiation of Donair, and today Meghalaya is the headquarter. Shillong is the headquarter for that. And so we have commemorated our leader's life and take inspiration from him as BJP workers and Karyakartas to make India into a Viksit Bharat, a developed nation by 2047. So that's the whole goal.